Alright folks, buckle up because I have got something mind-blowing to show you today. So you see these clips right here? Yeah, those aren't from some fancy Hollywood studios or TikTok genius pulling all-nighters. Nope, they are cooked up by the Kling AI, a Chinese AI powerhouse that out here saying, hold my noodles, we are about to change the game. And let me tell you, they are nailing it, like absolutely crushing it. Alright folks, let's dive right into this. I have signed up and created an account on Kling AI, and let me tell you, it's easy as a pie. No hoops, no drama. I'll break down the pricing and free options at the end of the video. But for now, let's take a look at this sleek interface when you log in. Over on the left side, we have got your main navigation tabs like Home, Explore, Events, AI Images, AI Videos, AI Custom Model, My Creatives, My Models. If you're building your own models, this is the tab you got covered. Now, on the right side, we have got your credits. This is basically your AI wallet where you money split into credits. Every image or video you generate costs credit. Yeah, that's how these tools roll. Nothing new here, right? But like I said earlier, be wise with your credits. Generate only what you really need and use resources smartly to get the most bang of your buck. Then we have got API calls, which is giving developers a key to access Kling AI's magic program. Super handy if you are into that tech stuff. Now, let me show you something very cool stuff. If you go all the way down, we have trending shorts, trending creatives. This is a showcase of mind-blowing art generated by users. Let me show you one. Look at this. How cool is that? Look at the so natural looking. And look at this small dog. Awesome. Wow. Let me tell you a few. We got like this one. Amazing. Look at this Black Panther. Kling AI nailing this. Super cool. Alright, now let's jump into the image generation tab. Here's where it gets interesting. Kling AI doesn't do image generation directly. They have partnered with Colors, Kolors, a specialized tool for creating AI images. Colors is already a pro in the image game, and Kling focuses on what they are best at, video generation. And here's a little personal tips. Sometimes I don't even use image generation with Kling AI or Colors. Instead, I'll create images with different tool, whatever, get the job done. And then bring those images back to Kling AI to create stunning videos. Why? Because Kling AI's video generation is just that good. If you're smart about how you spend your credits, you can stretch them further by being strategic like this. Work smarter. Alright, look at this. We have got two women in stunning bikinis standing near this absolutely breathtaking waterfall. The jungle greeny gives such a tropical vibe. This is another image I generate. Looks awesome. Let's do another one. Hit generate. Alright, let me see that. Looks awesome. I'm going to generate another one. Look at this lineup. We have got 5 absolutely gorgeous women. Alright, now let's generate a video. Choose an image. You can see image to video. So I choose image. Nice looking 2 models there. And I'm going to say they're having fun at the beach. Now you can see we don't see any beach here. And I'm going to give in the prompt, they're having fun at the beach. I'm going to use 5 seconds and I'm going to click generate. Alright, till generate this, I'm going to open another image. This time I have a tech quiz picture. It's not human or anything. So I'm going to say words are flying around on his head. Something like that. I have no idea. Let's see. Words are flying around his head. Just give a simple one. So I'm going to use, so each time 5 seconds, 35 credits. My advice is generate 5 seconds video, because if you're in a budget, if you generate 10-second video, that means 70 credits, right? But just in case if you have issues, then your 70 credits are gone, right? Because once you hit that button, it will generate, but if you don't like it, that means 70 credits is gone. So if you can generate 5 seconds, if it's good, then give another prompt to the next part, so you can combine those 5 seconds. So that's, you can be a smart and save your credits. Right, till generate those videos, I'm going to show you some of the videos I generate recently. I gave 10 seconds, so that's why I was talking about. If you give it 5 seconds in here, this is enough. From here to here, 5 seconds is good. I don't like the face. That's why I told you that if you get 5 seconds video, it's good for your budget. If something goes wrong, you always can edit. Now, the next one, these are my favorite model. Oh my goodness. Let me see. This is a picture. She's standing, but Kling, it nailed it. Look at that. She's walking to the forward to me, and it was awesome. Look at this. They are having fun, hugging each other, and it will give me some extra credit. Mean they're kissing, not bad at all. And next one, I put a different image, cartoon image, a fighting battle. It give me like this. This is my actual image. Look at this, and look at how Cling AI generated. This looks awesome. And this is the image I gave, and look at, she's blinking an eye, something like that. She's saying something. It was awesome. And if you remember my previous video, I generated from Google. This image I generated from a Google Cloud. I put it back to the Kling AI, and look at that. It's awesome. The next one I did is lip sync. We love you all. We are in love with you. So if you can hear that, I just put love you all. Look at the mouth and we are in love with you. The words. It's perfect. We love you. We are in love with you. And I did more. She's actually looking at me, and she's walking back. Look at that, how possible this is. Just give the image and it make me a real. She's walking to backwards.
I am so hot. Come to me.
Totally took me to a beach. I say they are having fun at the beach, so the Kling AI gave me extra what I asked. It's rotate to a beach. If you do a more prompt, you can make it better. Now, how about the tech quiz? It didn't took my words, but it's awesome, right? Look at that animation. So we can give any animation we want. Now I can put an audio to this, and for my video, I can put intro. It's awesome. That's all for the video. Let's go to see some models and find out what kind of model we can make. Now, if I go back to AI custom model, you can make custom model. Now, I can make a custom model in here, but they're asking to upload more. So I didn't have time, but they have a guideline. So if you want to make your own model, that looks awesome. I'm going back. All right, now let's talk about the pricing. I'm going to hit this Pro button. Honestly, this is where you get to decide if Kling AI fits your budget and creative needs. The good thing, there's something for everyone here, from free users to power creation. Now let's talk about the plans. Basic. Yep, it's totally free forever. You don't pay a dime, but you will get small number of credits every month just by logging in. It's perfect for those who want to dip their toes into Kling AI without any commitment. However, keep in mind you are limited in features and might need to be patient with longer generation times. Some people do like at night, they put to generate, in the morning it's generated. But thing is, you need to run your computer, right? So that's also a thing you need to consider. Now, standard, this plan gives you 660 credits per month, which breaks down about $1 for every 100 credits. It's a great entry level option for people who want more frequent use without breaking the bank. You also get faster generation times and access to features like watermark removal. Pro, now we are getting serious with 3000 credits per month. This plan is for people who want to churn out of lot of content, videos, images. You also unlock professional mods, master shots, video extensions, and other advanced features. Plus, it's cheaper per credit. It's 0.81 per 100 credits. Now, next one, the big one, premium with 8,000 credits per month. This plan is for hardcore creators or business who want the absolutely best. It brings the cost down even further, 0.76 per 100 credits, and gives you all the bells and whistles like image upscaling, fast track generation. This plan is power move, no doubt. Now, monthly versus yearly. You can see there's three. You will notice they offer yearly, monthly, even month to month. The yearly plans discounted by 34%. So if you're planning to use Kling AI long term, it's definitely worth considering. But if you just want to test the waters for a bit, you can always go with the monthly plan. I will do it, get the monthly because you get for 3.88 per month. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it like that. But you double check that. Credits. On the right side, you can see your total credits. This is your virtual currency for generating images, videos, or using other advanced features. And remember, the more credits your plan offer, the cheaper it gets per 100 credits. So if you are creating a lot, the higher plan save you more in the long run. Now, pro tip, be smart about your credits. If you on a lower tier plan, think about combining Kling AI's tool with other free resources like generating images elsewhere and importing here a Cing AI for video creation. That's where you are stretching your credits while still getting Kling AI's premium video quality. All right, now that we are broken down, let's me give you my honest feedback. Here's the real takeaway. It's not just about the tools, it's about how you use them. Be creative, be smart with your credits, and let your imagination run wild. And trust me, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore with Cling AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that button, drop a comment below to let me know what you like to see next, and of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And stay tuned for my next one. I'll be diving into AI competitions and even covering NSFW friendly AI tools for those spicy requests. So until then, keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.